So yes, we try and maximize on the feature that a person has.
எல்லாருமே celebrity looks வேணும் அப்படின்னா it doesn't go well with everyone.
Celebrity look is possible now.
I think every girl is very pretty in their own way, and they look beautiful with the existing features.
We can actually sculpt and contour their faces.
Yes, it is definitely possible. I think every girl is very pretty in their own way, and they look beautiful with the existing features. Looking like a celebrity with the technology today that we have is possible, because we know how to contour your features, we know how to highlight the cheekbones, we know how to uplift your chin, make you look smaller, make you look a little bit big if you're a very petite person. And with respect to hairstyles, we can give you a bouffant, we can give you a messy look. So there are so many variations and combinations with makeup and hair that make you look very, very pretty, right? So if you have, suppose every person has a very attractive feature, the nose or the cheekbones or the eyes. So we try and concentrate on one of those features, and always see, for example, for the eyes, it's very important. It's a basic thumb rule to use fake eyelashes, right? And nowadays a lot of people also use contact lenses. So some of them look nice because it kind of give you a very celebrity kind of a look. So yes, we try and maximize on the feature that a person has.
Celebrity, I would say no, because எல்லாருமே celebrity looks வேணும் அப்படின்னா it doesn't go well with everyone, because it depends on the outlook also, and stage decoration and the groom, how அவங்க என்ன மாதிரி dresses they are going to wear. It depends on everything. It's not like only the bride. So just go for whatever is apt and whatever is suitable for their skin type. Just they can go for it. It looks very natural and normal. If they want heavy look, we can give eyeshadows or lipstick. We can give little more highlighted.
No, actually, you see, like nowadays with the blending of all the foundations, 2 or 3 shades, we can actually sculpt and contour the faces and bring out the natural look of the bride, the sharp features of the bride. And definitely a celebrity look is possible nowadays if the bride is able to carry it on the stage. And during the reception, definitely we try to give them